The current death toll is at 973,264. Follow the instructions to survive. Practice strict hygiene. Acquire a hazmat suit. Avoid any human contact. Acquire an air filtration system. Close and block all windows and doors. Do not let anyone inside. If you get any small cuts, bruises or dents, have muscle pain, loss, lose your limbs, or other symptoms of sickness, go to a corner and kill yourself. Do not be a hero. Do not travel. There are 5 stages of infection. Figure them out. Just know, it goes from cuts and dents to a full reformation of the body within a few months. Do not attempt to fight an infected individual. It will kill you.